Hello students, Jai Swaminarayan. Hope you all are well and fine at your home. In today's session, we will continue our chapter Building with Bricks. In the previous session, we had started the story of Jagruti School, in which we had studied different bricks pattern, Jali pattern, Jarokha pattern, and today we will continue in this session. Okay? Now, see on this page number 8 in the starting, this Jali is from a library building in Kerala. This is a library of Kerala. You can see the brick of this library, which is in triangle shape. You can see this building, how they had put this brick in triangle shape. In this way, bricks are used in different shapes to make a patterns. Okay, have you seen a brick that look like triangle? Yes, of course, we have seen at so many places where the bricks are kept in a triangle shape. You can see below this a picture of library building. This plant is given. Around this plant, how the bricks are arranged, you can see they are in triangle shape. They are kept in a triangle shape. Look at the bricks around the tree in this photo. Now we will continue our next topic, that is arc. Do you see the arc in this photo? You can see the arrow which is given in blue. This is arc. This is called arc. You can say a curved part or which is on the above the wall or roof. जो भी वॉल या रूफ के अबव का जो कर्व्ड पार्ट होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं आर्क. This is from a school in Faizabad. This image is from the school of Faizabad. Have you seen arc in a bridge? Yes, we had seen such type of arcs in a bridge, tunnels, different buildings also might be we have seen. Okay. Now see the next topic, a special arc. In this photo from Orcha, see how the arc is made. It has a nice name, Ghungat Wali Mehrab. Why the name is given Ghungat Wali Mehrab? You can see the arc in this video. See, the arc, proper design is given in this arc. That's why the Ghungat Wali Mehrab name is given to this wall. You can see the window also of this. See the window of this house. You can see which pattern it is. It is Jali pattern. In the previous session, I had shown you different Jali patterns. Okay. Isn't the Jali of this window beautiful? It is made up of thin bricks. Have you seen thin bricks? Look around. Might be we have seen such type of bricks, thin bricks, which is used for the Jali pattern. Okay, move ahead. Jamal Kalu, the mason of Jagruti School, said that their grandfather used many different kinds of brick. Some of these are shown in the photo. This Jamal and Kalu is saying that their grandfather were using different kinds of brick. Some of the photo is given. You can see some of the brick photo is given. Based on this, some question is given. Which of this brick have curved edges? आप इस इमेज में देख सकते हो. इस इमेज में से आप देख के बताओ कौन कौन सी ब्रिक के जो एजेस है मीन्स कॉर्नर है जो कर्व्ड है. यू कैन सी फर्स्ट टू ब्रिक. the images of first two brick is in curved shape. Next, how many faces do you see of the longest brick? Longest brick you can see in the image. This is the longest brick. We can see only two faces of this brick. This is one and this side it is one. So two faces we can see in the longest brick. Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? Yes, you can see in the third brick. In that brick we can see so many faces. Okay. Find out the size of a brick. Have you seen a brick of a different size? Take one brick and measure it. This is one activity which is given that you can try it by yourself. By taking brick, you can measure the width, height and length of the brick. Okay. Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. How many brick will she need to put a line? And now in the question it is given that Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. उसको 1 meter long की wall बनानी है. How many bricks will she need to put in a line? Try to answer it by yourself. Okay. Now see the next topic. Bricks and bricks, hot and fresh. Ganesh and Sahiba lives near a kiln where bricks are made. Kiln means भट्टी. भट्टी जहाँ पे ईंटें, क्ले वगैरह बहुत सारी चीज़ें वहाँ पे भट्टियों में बनती है, उसको हम बोलते हैं kiln. Can you guess how high is the chimney here? Is it? You can see the chimney. This is chimney. You have to guess the how high this chimney is. About 5 meter, 15 meter or 50 meter. Obviously, we can see if the chimney is high, so it will be of 50 meters. Okay, now move ahead. Ganesh and Sahiba loves to look at the pattern of brick in the long lines kept out to dry. They also watch how bricks were made. They both were looking the pattern of the brick which is kept for dry. जो bricks सुखाने के लिए रखी थी, they were loving to look that brick. Here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. This picture are jumbled up. Jumbled means they are not properly arranged. You have to write the order of this brick image. You can see A, B, C, D. In this jumbled up, how do you think a brick is made up out of soil dug from the earth? इसमें जो इमेजेस हैं वो प्रोसेस दिया है ब्रिक का, उसे आपको अरेंज करना है. आप उसे कैसे अरेंज करोगे? विच इमेज विल कम फर्स्ट? सी इन दिस इमेज, C1. This will come first. Why? Because the bricks which are made, they are made from the soil. First they are digging out from the earth. पहले हम उसे ज़मीन से निकालते हैं. Then you can see dig will come. Then that mud shape is given to that mud. Then they are properly arranged. Proper pattern is given. Then they are kept for the dry. So the jumbled are arranged like this: C, D, B, A. Okay. How do you think A brick is made up out of soil dug from the earth. Look at the picture and discuss. Now this is last part of your chapter. Have you seen a brick kiln? आपने कभी ये भट्टी देखी है? Did you try to guess the number of bricks kept there? क्या आपको पता है वहाँ पे कितने सारे bricks बनते हैं? वहाँ पे बहुत सारे bricks एक साथ में बनते हैं. There are many bricks kiln in India. 1,000 of them, more than 100,000. 100,000 means 1 lakh bricks. Can you imagine how big this number is? This number is also called 1 lakh. See this. Look at this photo and guess how many bricks are carried by this truck. Try to guess by yourself how many bricks this truck is carrying. Okay. Now see, one question is given of mental maths. Bhajan buy bricks. Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price given for 1,000 brick. The price you can see in this box. आप ये बॉक्स में देख सकते हो, प्राइस दिया हुआ है. अलग अलग तरह की ब्रिक्स का अलग अलग प्राइस है. द प्राइस इज़ गिवन फॉर 1,000 ब्रिक्स. अगर आप 1,000 ब्रिक्स परचेज़ करोगे ओल्ड तो उसका कॉस्ट होगा 1,200. अगर आप 1,000 ब्रिक परचेज़ करोगे ऑफ इतानपुर 1,800 it will cost. And from Brickabad